Hi Year 5, welcome to day 4 of our English. There is quite a bit to get through today, so I wouldn't worry about doing everything, okay? Just pick parts that you want to have a go at today and see how long it takes you, okay? So don't worry about getting all of it completed. So we're going to move kind of away from the poetry that we've had a look at. We're still going to think a little bit about being persuasive, but we are going to have a look at adverts. So the first advert that we'd like you to have a look at on the link, if you click on it, is Waitrose Mother's Day advert. Try and watch it a couple times, and then after you've watched it, try and write down what you remember from the advert, okay? So do you think this is what the advertisers wanted you to remember? So we want to try and think, what can you remember after you've watched it? Once you've watched that, I want you to try and complete the fact or opinion sheet. So if you scroll down, you will have the Waitrose fact or opinion. So you're given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different statements, and you need to have a read through them, and you need to think about whether they're a fact or opinion. We've done quite a lot of this, okay? So think about what a fact or opinion might be, okay? Then, once you've finished that, you are going to research some more adverts, okay? So you're going to complete investigating fact opinion, and you're going to watch the adverts, or you can read the transcripts, okay? It's best to do both if you can. The transcripts are what is said in the advert. Try and answer all the questions using complete sentences and accurate punctuation, okay? So if you scroll down even further, you're going to get to the investigating facts and opinion. So there are plenty of adverts to click on. There's one for Moonpig, one for Calgon, and one for Lindt, the chocolate, okay? And if you can click on those, that would be amazing, and then you can watch through those. The options of what you need to go through, so you need to choose an advert and watch it several times, okay? You need to try and write 5 key sentences from the advert. So you don't need to do it for every single one, okay? Decide if the sentence was a fact, opinion, or a mixture of both. If it's a mixture, try and highlight to show which is the fact, which is the opinion, and then which type of sentence appears the most. So facts, opinions, or a mixture. Then try and repeat the activity with a different advert if you have time, okay? Don't worry too much about doing it with more than one advert. If you scroll down even further than that, the next activity is kind of the main activity for this lesson. So if you just do this bit, then that's fine. You're going to make up your own advert, okay? So you're going to pick an item that you have in your house. It can be absolutely anything, and you're going to write a script for an advert for that, okay? So you're going to think about the facts and the opinions that the presenter might give. So what do you want people to remember about that thing that you're trying to advertise, okay? So if you scroll down, there are some things to help you out for that, okay? So if you've done all the activities beforehand, you might have a few kind of clues and a little bit of help as to how you might make your own advert. Okay, so there is a template if you want to use it, but you don't need to. You can just do it in your book or on a piece of paper where you're going to write your own advert script. So you can write your own advert scripts and what facts and opinions are you going to include. So that is the main part of the lesson. If you've gone through all the other activities, it may help you a little bit beforehand, but that is the main part that you're going to try and do. So you're going to try and create your own advert today.